Hi, my name is Kushal Venkatesh, and I'll be showing you what exactly I have done in Blender with my objects. I've used the logic editor option for my homework file, and I'll be explaining what are the options I have used and how the game is being created using logic editor. As you can see here, this is the gun. These are the toruses, and now when I press P in the game, when I press P and when I press spacebar, I delete all the toruses, and once everything is done, I press an R and then press a spacebar, and then the monkey gets disappeared. As soon as the monkey hits that, the monkey disappears. So when I press R, a bullet shoots out. That's the bullet, and this is the monkey. So when the bullet hits the monkey just gets disappeared. But the game is, the bullet should not fall on the gun. That's the objective of the game. So as soon as you do that, you keep hitting monkeys on that, and then you try to deviate the bomb from falling on the gun. That is the game. You need to press R and then keep shooting against the bomb. So what exactly I have done in the logic editor? So when you press escape, I'll show you what exactly I have done in the logic editor. So basically this is the gun, and if you press Z and then if you shift a bit above and then move towards this, when you select this, and then that's an empty object. So when you go to the logic editor, here when I press spacebar, so when I press the spacebar here, it can be seen, and is the controller, and whenever I press the spacebar button, which is a sensor, the AND controller passes a signal to the actuator, and every time a monkey gets created. So now let's get back to the 3D view. When I press back Z, and when I press a torus, the logic editor for the torus is here. So always, and it's always true, it will keep steering towards the empty object, empty 0.002. That means it will always keep moving towards the empty object, and whenever there is a collision and the operator, the object just ends, and whenever there is a G button, when you press G, it will add a new object. Here it's 0.001. Actually this logic operator right now I haven't shown as such, but let me just go back and check whether it's working. Everything gets exploded, because when I press G, everything gets exploded. So let me see what's exactly happening. When I press P and when I press G, everything gets exploded because of the logic operator. and there's another empty object, you know, somewhere down the line. Suppose you zoom out and then press P, and then once you start shooting it, everything just moves away. Once all this is done, you can press R, so it just starts hitting you from there. So that is the position where the empty object is available. So that's the point. So when you press back, when you press the Z key, here there's an empty object there. So when you go to the logic editor of the empty object, when you press the R button, R key, and when the logical operator is AND, so every time you press the R key, a sphere gets created, which is nothing but the bomb here, which we are talking about. So when the sphere is encountered by a monkey, the monkey disappears. Whereas when a torus gets encountered by a monkey, the torus disappears. So back to the 3D view. So let me play it again. So when you just start shooting the monkeys, the torus is getting disappeared, and when you press R, the bullet starts shooting and the monkeys get disappeared as soon as they hit the bullets. So as soon as they hit the bullets, the monkey starts disappearing. When you press R, there are a lot of bombs hitting across the gun. So the game is, you shouldn't allow the bombs to hit on the gun. So keep pressing spacebar. So basically, when the monkey shoots and when it encounters the torus disappears, and as soon as the bomb, which is nothing but a sphere, encounters a monkey, the monkey disappears. This is the strategy of the game. Thank you.